Okay, you guys, so starting today, we are going to work on a daily math. And this is week 1. Where can you find all of this? Well, we are going to go to Google Classroom. Make sure you have that tab ready. You're going to go to Google Classroom. You need to go to Math. Go to Classwork. Also, it's right here. Right here, look. You can also find it in Classwork, and it's number of the day, daily math. And that's the one we're going to be working on. Okay, so the number of the day. So we were supposed to do it on Monday, but we're going to start today, Tuesday. Okay, so it doesn't matter the date. Okay, you're just going to do 1. So the number of the day is 79. So you're going to show me with your place value cards how much is 79. And I could tell that 79 has 7 tens. So I'm gonna start with the tens, and I'm gonna show them in a nice and neat way. I have 4, 5, 6. See, I'm pairing them up. That way I know that 7 is an odd because it doesn't have a pair. And then I have a 9. So I'm gonna put 9, 1, 2, and try to do it nice and neat. 3, 4. I could also do it by groups of 3. 6, 7, 8. If it doesn't fit, then I have to move down a little bit this one, scrunch it out, and there. Okay, so I have 7 tens and 9 ones. That's 79. Then it says here write it in expanded form. Expanded form would be 70 plus 9. That would be expanded form because I'm showing what is the value. How many do I have here? I have 70. Now how many do I have here? I have 9. Then I'm going to go to the next slide. Day 1, week 1. Instructions. Type your answers inside the green squares. Number 1, place the smileys on the triangle. So I'm going to place the smiley. Is this a triangle? No. So I'm going to put it on the triangle. And then, do I have another triangle? Yes. Right there. Number 2 says, 3 frogs and 2 birds are sitting near the pond. How many animals are around the pond altogether? Well, I have a drawing right here. I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many animals? 5 animals. If it doesn't fit, then I'm going to make it a little bit longer, and there. Then I'm going to say, oh, 4 plus 1. That one is not telling me how many something, so I just write the number. And that's what you're going to do for your daily math. Make sure you only do one day. Look, this is number of the day, and this is day 1. This one is for the next day, so you are not going to do it, okay? You also have to read the instructions always. Type your answers inside the green square. So you need to click on the green squares and you need to type them. Okay? And then you see that every day you're going to have different problems and a different number of the day. And with the number of the day, you need to write it in expanded form and show with your place value cards. Okay?